Maintaining good oral health is important for overall health and confidence, and plaque is a common problem. Plaque turns to tartar when left alone. It's formed by accumulated bacteria in your mouth. You may notice as a hard yellowish layer, also called calculus, on your teeth. It creates a breeding ground for the oral bacteria that feed on sugars from the food you eat. Plus, it forms acid during this process that breaks down the tooth enamel, leading to dental cavities. Removing tartar usually requires a visit to your dentist. However, you can remove it yourself at home using natural remedies. 3 ways to remove teeth plaque at home naturally. Number 1. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an old age practice that supports oral health and helps remove plaque from teeth. Extra virgin coconut oil is great for oil pulling because it is high in lauric acid that has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Swish 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Spit it out. Do not gargle with it or swallow it. Brush your teeth as usual. Repeat daily, in the morning before eating anything. Plus, you can massage a few drops of coconut oil on your gums daily. You can also do oil pulling with warm sesame oil. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, is a great home remedy for removing plaque. It neutralizes acids in the mouth, thereby reducing the amount of harmful bacteria. Put a small amount of baking soda on the bristles of your wet toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. Rinse your mouth and teeth thoroughly with lukewarm water. Alternatively, mix 1 teaspoon of salt with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Dip a dampened toothbrush in the mixture. Brush your teeth with this powder gently. Use any of these remedies once or twice a week. Do not use baking soda in excess as it may damage the tooth enamel over time. Number 3. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil works like a disinfectant to oral bacteria. It can prevent plaque buildup, cavities, and help get rid of bad breath. Mix 2 or 3 drops of rosemary essential oil in 1 tablespoon of water or carrier oil. Swish the mixture to your teeth for about 10 minutes. Spit it out and brush your teeth as usual. Repeat twice daily. The best way to prevent the buildup of plaque and tartar on the teeth is by flossing once a day and brushing twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste. Regular dental checkups and professional cleanings can also help prevent and treat oral health problems.